You wake up completely drained. Day after day, you're stuck running on an endless treadmill. You're pouring all your energy into building someone else's dream. Meanwhile, your own bank balance just sits there, frustratingly stagnant. It honestly feels impossible to break free from this grind. But what if the way out isn't what you actually think it is? Welcome to this explainer, where we're breaking down the absolute truth about wealth building.
Let's play a quick game. What if you stole Elon Musk's $1 trillion? It's a really comforting fantasy we all secretly share. You imagine a massive, sudden windfall instantly solving your problems. You think all your daily stress would just vanish overnight. You picture yourself chilling on a beach somewhere. You'd literally never worry about a single bill ever again. We mistakenly believe that a lack of cash is our only real obstacle.
$1 trillion. Okay, let's dive into this for a second. That is $1,000 billion. It's a scale of wealth so unbelievably massive, you couldn't spend it in 1,000 lifetimes. Seriously, if you spent $1 million every single day, it would still take you almost 3,000 years to go broke. You'd logically think this guarantees a lifelong freedom and absolute security. With this much capital, failing seems mathematically impossible, right? Well, here's the shocking reality that most people completely ignore. Having the money in your bank account is definitely not the same as keeping it there.
We're essentially looking at two entirely different worlds here. On one side, we have the exhausting reality of the rat race. You constantly trade your precious time just to keep your head barely above water. On the exact opposite side, we have the trillionaire reality. Over there, wealth is constantly multiplying, and you're building your very own empire. But listen closely, because money alone isn't what separates the average worker from someone like Elon Musk. The real difference is how the mental machine operates behind the scenes. Here is a hard truth that might sting just a little bit. Even if you successfully stole that $1 trillion today without a strong systems mindset, it would eventually evaporate. Without the specific mental framework that actually creates and protects wealth, the money simply drains away. You'd eventually end up right back where you started, completely broke. It's really not about the physical cash you hold in your hands. It is entirely about the systems you operate on a daily basis.
So how do we actually fix this? Let's look at Principle 1, which is reprogramming your wealth mindset.
A systems mindset basically means seeing money as a direct result of solving major problems. You've got to stop looking at wealth as a reward for simply trading your hours for dollars. When you fix a massive issue for society, money naturally flows in your direction. The bigger and more complex the problem you solve, the larger the financial reward becomes. Your total income is just a direct reflection of the value you provide to the market.
Moving right along, that brings us to Principle 2, which focuses on building financial leverage systems. Leveraged output multiplies your production by relying on automated systems, software, scalable media, or invested capital. Linear output violently drains your time because it relies entirely on your direct physical effort. If you stop working today, the money immediately stops flowing into your bank account. Leveraged output, on the other hand, frees up your precious time while the system quietly generates wealth in the background. You firmly detach your personal time from your overall earning potential. Finally, we arrive at Principle 3, which is all about practicing absolute ownership.
Absolute ownership means you independently force your financial outcomes through sheer competence and massive leverage. Nobody's coming to magically save you, and no random lottery ticket is going to fix this. You must take complete responsibility for aggressively developing your own high-income skills. You go out there, you learn what the market desperately needs, and you apply it. This is exactly how massive empires are built entirely from scratch. You now know exactly what separates the exhausting rat race from the actual trillionaire reality. It's time to stop building someone else's dream and start fiercely focusing on your own. Apply these 3 core principles immediately to completely change your long-term financial trajectory. Be sure to subscribe to this channel right now to start building your very own empire. We're going to systematically continue providing the exact blueprints you need in these explainers to achieve ultimate success.
Remember, discipline is the only true key to waking your sleeping giant.